Splash Mathematics. Today I want to share tips about how to get square for ending with 5 in a very easy method. Example 25 square. If you do the normal method, it will take a very long time, and in competitive exams we don't have that much time to get the multiplication. So is a easy method is 25. So 5 is a 25. We know that it easily. So 2 we have to do 2 into next number of this number. So it is 3. So it is 6. So answer is 625. We can do one more. 75 square. 75. We'll write like this. 5 multiplication is 5 square is 25. So 7 into 8. So 8 7 is 56. So answer is 5625. It's a very easy method. Now we'll go with the other number, not ending with the 5, any other number, different numbers. Example, we'll take 83. 83 square. How to do that? So first thing, we'll take square of each number. 3 we'll write it as 0, 9 and 8, 64. And the next step is 8 3 is a 24. 24 into 2, it is 48. The number is 6, 8, 8, 9. So square of 83 is 6889. So we can do one more. 47 square. So 4 square is 16 and 7 square is 49. So 4 sevens are, you have to multiply in between. So 4 sevens are 28 into 2, it is 56. So how much? 9, 10, 1 will move here, 12 and 1 will move here. It is 2209. And 47 square we can do in another way also, because the 47 is nearby value of 50. So we have to remember 25 in our mind. So 47, how to get the square earlier than this method. So 25, so 47 is 3 lesser than 50. Correct? 50 minus 47 is 3. So we have to write it as 3 here. 25 minus 3 is 22. Okay. So now 47 is 3 lesser than 50. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 22. This is also one step method to get it, which is nearby 50. So it's easy way of getting the answer. Now one more tricks about the numbers nearby 100. If the value is like, number is like 106 and 104. Okay, so it is more than 100. How much it is more than 100? It is 6 and it is 4. Now we have to multiply these two. 6 4s are 24, and if you add up these two, it is 1 1 10. If you add up these two also, it is same 1 1 10. We'll write 1 1 10. So this is the answer for multiplying 106 into 104. We can take one more example. 102 into 103. So how much it is more than 100? 2. Here it is 3. So now we have to multiply in between. So it is 2, 3, 6. As it is a single digit, we'll put 0 here. And 103 plus 2, it is 105. So answer of 102 into 105, it is 10506. 10,506. So if it is nearby value but lesser than 100, so we'll take example of 98 and multiply with 97. So how much it is lesser? So 98 is 2 lesser than 100 and 97 is 3 lesser than 100. If you multiply in between, it is 06, and here we have to minus the numbers. 97 minus 2 and 98 minus 3, which is same 95. So answer is, we'll do 92 multiply with 23. So first 2 3s are 6, and we'll write 2 3 9 2 number like this. We'll multiply in cross. 9 3s are 27 and 2 2s are 4. So it is 31. So as a double digit, we'll take the last number 1. 3 we'll add up here. 9 2s is 18 plus 3 is 21. Answer is 2116. So here is our today's video about squares of numbers, bigger double digit or triple digit numbers in a easy way of resolving. Hope you like the video. Please click on like button and do subscribe for more updates. Thank you.